Hello and welcome to Althea Suite. Today we are going to take a look at making our items inactive or marking them as inactive. So what I'm going to do is come to my products, then items. Now on our items, we use the term inactive or marking them as inactive as opposed to deleting the items for a very specific reason. The reason we do not want to delete items in Althea is so that we can still store and track any purchase, sales history for that item. Meaning that if I have an item that is maybe discontinued or I'm not selling anymore, I still want to know when I was carrying and selling that object, who I sold it to, when I sold it to, and be able to pull up that information. So instead, we will click into our context menu here and come to modify. Now you will see at the bottom, we do have the delete option. The delete should only be used if you have an item in the system that you have not created any purchases for, you've not created any sales for, you just had mistakenly added into your item catalog, then you can go ahead and delete it. But if you have any records, any transactions tied to it, as I said, we will modify. And then we'll go ahead and mark it as inactive. So I uncheck the checkbox for is active and update. Then because I have current stock showing for this, I'm getting this message. The following stock is present for the item you are marking inactive. Do you want to still mark this as inactive? For our example today, I'm going to say yes. Once I say yes, that will update the item. Then I will click into show inactive items only, and we just have this item I just marked. So when it is marked inactive, I will no longer be able to create purchases for this item. I will no longer be able to add it to quotes, orders, or invoices. But as I mentioned, the information already tied with that item will be saved and stored in the system. Thank you so much for watching, and we appreciate your interest in Althea Suite.